An average of 50 billion tons of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases are released into the atmosphere every year. With increasing greenhouse gases and accompanying climate change, the balance of the atmosphere has started to deteriorate. In the last 100 years, the average temperature of our planet, including ocean surfaces, has increased by 1 degree Celsius. According to the Paris Agreement signed in 2015, with the participation of 196 countries, the aim is to reduce the amount of harmful human-induced gases released into the atmosphere to zero within 30 years. In this way, the global temperature increase will be limited to 1.5 degrees compared to the pre-industrial revolution period.
In recent years, Nefes Emergency Response Network project has been developed and implemented in Turkey, the pilot region, in order to fight more effectively against the increasing temperature and consequently increasing forest fires all over the world. Faster and more effective intervention was realized with new generation solutions used in land and air vehicles. Intervention to fires has become more efficient with the equipment and special kits developed entirely for the purpose. Thanks to the developed software, all operations can be monitored and controlled via mobile application. Let's get to know the Nefes units. The SP23 Smart Pump can quickly fill retardant with high-precision dosing to all desired vehicles, especially firefighting aircraft and Land Rovers. Mobile Production Unit Gokna is a mobile production facility unique in the world. It is capable of producing retardant used in the fire response of air and land vehicles in the event of a disaster. Mobile Filling Vehicle Nefes Truck, which has the same software infrastructure as the SP23, can fill retardant into mobile fire pools, land and air vehicles in emergencies, with its 22-ton liquid capacity. Smart portable fire pools with GPS system on them can be easily set up by the personnel by directing them to the appropriate area for use by land vehicles and helicopters in case of disaster. Smart drones, which patrol 24/7 in areas with high risk of forest fires, and have a retardant carrying capacity of up to 200 kilograms, notify the center at the time of the incident and enable the operation to start. With artificial intelligence, it carries out the first intervention in a swarm by gathering other drones in the incident area. They automatically refill retardant from nearby drone stations and return to the incident area. A multipurpose helicopter developed for disaster situations, with a special barrel for horizontal intervention, and thus effective in urban fires, capable of carrying up to 3 tons of retardant, with an apparatus at the bottom for rapid resupply, and capable of turning into an ambulance when necessary. Unmanned, remotely controlled, electric motorized helicopter that can be used in intervention with retardant or carry personnel in case of need. Mobile tanks with 20 tons retardant capacity, easy installation and discharge system, developed for Airbus A400M aircraft. The Fireprex professional team, consisting of a large number of fire commanders with over 20 years of experience in fire safety, leads our field personnel. The FPT organizes key trainings for each staff member in order to achieve maximum efficiency in fighting forest fires in challenging conditions. How do all units work together? Upon a fire notification from unmanned aerial vehicles, the size of the disaster is evaluated by the authorized units, and a new task is created through the application. Those in charge receive the task order through the software, organize the teams according to the need and take action. With the smart pump system, the planes, whose filling is completed completely, take off for intervention. Ground units set out for mobile pool installation at the appropriate point. This is the point where helicopters will resupply retardant. The mobile pool, which is quickly installed with the retardant carried by Nefes truck, is filled with the automation system, and the helicopters start to intervene in the fire by taking retardant from the pool. If needed, Turkish Armed Forces aircraft also participate in the operation as a reserve force. The Airbus A400M aircraft available in the inventory can be converted into a 20-ton retardant fire aircraft with the newly developed plug-in kit. The entire organization is monitored instantly via the mobile application, and data is transferred to the center. At night, when it is not suitable for aircraft to fly, the intervention can continue with a retardant specially developed for land vehicles and other ground vehicles. After the task is successfully completed, the area managers convey the evaluations through the application and report is made. Turkey, which is one of the geographies with high fire risk, has achieved a great success in the fight against forest fires in the last 2 years with early intervention and correct organization. With the units placed at different points in Turkey, preparations were made not only against forest fires, but also against all disasters. Work on the development of the Nefes project continues at full speed. Considering the data presented for our world, we will need the Nefes project to breathe in the near future.